They're fucking throwing trash in the yard. Look at the cup. Sons of bitches. Sons of bitches. Fucking iced coffee cup. That's fucking the girl. It's raining, guy. It's gonna hit the house. That's right. You can't stop. You can't stop. Ooh, ooh, you can't stop the rain. It's fucking bloody raining. That's right, I said it's fucking bloody raining. All over the fucking place. What activity can we do on a rainy day, Austin?
Look, yeah, shit.
What?
Look, drink cheers and smoke some blunts.
But we got new fucking reefer. I got something for us to smoke. Come with me, dude. Where the cigarettes go? Ooh. Found one. We got one left. Shit, one left. So yeah, people know. It's a motherfucking Newport. Ha! Bye. This little nigger's sleeping. What? What up? You little nigger? Get your ass up. Why are you sleeping, little man?
Are you tired?
Did Bob Marley smoke pot?
Did you ever get burned twice on a match? Look. Ready? Let's test it
That
out.
bitch better close your legs.
Ready? See, ow. Ready?